Hi, this is JR. I'm with the AGS Company. Today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on brake lines, the different materials, and what's best suited for your needs. So let's take a quick look at the four. The first one is your standard galvanized steel line. This is an OEM replacement. It's economical. The downside is they're a little hard to bend and flare, but the galvanized is a corrosion protectant, but it's not the best on the market. Second type is what we call our Poly-Armour. This is a polyvinyl fluoride coating, which is almost like a plastic or a powder coat to it. This gives superior corrosion over the galvanized. These will last a very long time, and they are an industry standard. If you look, you'll see many green lines under a lot of cars. My favorite is our NiCopp. This is a nickel copper alloy. It is corrosion resistant because of the copper, and it's real easy to bend. Unlike the other ones, I can almost do it by hand. I don't need a bender. And these have a lifetime warranty. And they're also available in our Easy Fit kits, which are a complete application specific kit. Can't go wrong with those. And then we have stainless, which is very high end. As you can see, it's a polished piece where beauty, corrosion resistance, and performance and looks really count. This is going to be your hot rod, any type of off-road vehicle. You're going to be proud to show off your brake lines, believe it or not. So there's our four. We have our galvanized, Poly-Armour, our NiCopp, and our stainless. And the way these are packaged is what we have as coils. 25, 50, and 100-foot coils in all four flavors. And then what we also offer are what we call sticks. These are pre-flared lengths, pre-flared with different fittings, all the way up to 84 inches. And again, they're available in the galvanized, Poly-Armour, NiCopp, and stainless. Once you've picked out the best line material for your needs, the next thing you're going to need to know is what flare do I have? Do I have an SAE 45-degree inverted flare? Or do I have a JIS ISO bubble flare? Bubble flare is usually imports, European, but you really need to know, do you have a bubble flare or an inverted flare? And you can see they're pretty distinctly, obviously different. Make sure you know which one you're getting before you buy your sticks or start to flare. Now you know a little bit about the four flavors that we offer. Hopefully that helps you decide which one's best for your needs. Thanks for your time.